Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox in a browser. Roblox is a fantastic global platform where millions of users create and play immersive games and experiences. To get started, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. While the main interface is browser-based, a small, secure client application will automatically download and install the first time you launch a game, enabling seamless gameplay directly from your browser window. Once you are on the Roblox website, you will need an account to begin your adventure. If you are new, creating an account is straightforward. Just provide your birth date, choose a unique username, and set a strong password. For existing users, simply enter your username and password into the login fields. Remember, always use a robust and distinct password to safeguard your personal information and ensure your account remains secure from unauthorized access. With your account ready, it is time to explore the vast world of Roblox games. You can easily discover new experiences by browsing through various categories like popular or top earning, or by using the search bar for specific titles. Once you find a game that interests you, simply click its icon to see more details, then hit the green play button. You can also personalize your avatar with thousands of unique items, making your character truly one of a kind. Staying safe while enjoying Roblox is incredibly important. The platform offers robust privacy settings, allowing you to manage who can send you messages, chat with you, or join your games. If you ever encounter content or behavior that violates community guidelines, please use the easy-to-access reporting tools. Remember, for your safety, never share personal details such as your full name, home address, or phone number with anyone you meet online, keeping your information private.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.